In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple roles under one company on LinkedIn. If you've been promoted or moved into a different position at the same company, it's a good idea to show that properly on your LinkedIn profile. When it's done the right way, LinkedIn groups those roles together under one company, which makes your career progression look much cleaner and easier for recruiters, colleagues, and potential employers to understand. To get started, go to your LinkedIn profile. From the LinkedIn homepage, click the Me icon at the top and then select View Profile. This will take you to the main page where all of your professional information is displayed. Once you're on your profile, scroll down until you find the Experience section. This is where your past and current jobs are listed. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place, because the next step needs to be done directly from this section. At the top right of the Experience block, click the plus button to add a new position. This opens the form where you'll enter the details for your new role. Here, type in your new job title exactly as you want it to appear on your profile. Be clear and accurate, since this title helps explain your current responsibilities or promotion. Next, in the company field, type the exact same company name used for your previous role, and then select it from the drop-down list. This is the most important part of the process. Choosing the matching company entry from the drop-down tells LinkedIn that both positions belong to the same organization, which is what allows the roles to stack together instead of appearing as separate companies. After that, select your start date for the new position. Make sure the timing reflects when you actually began the role, since LinkedIn uses these dates to build your career timeline. If this new role is the result of a promotion, you'll also want to manage your previous position correctly. Check the box that says End Current Position as of now for the older role. This helps your profile show a smooth transition from one title to the next, rather than making it look like both roles started overlapping by mistake. Once everything looks right, click Save. Your new role will be added to your profile, and if the company name was selected correctly, LinkedIn should group the positions under one company heading. That's it. This small update can make your profile look much more polished and professional, especially if you want to highlight growth within the same organization.